Welcome back, everybody. This is Josh with Josh's Lawn and Landscape. You can see we got this area cut here. We're just getting away from, you can see the line right there. Rainstorm just come through, so we're sitting back under the shed for just a minute. Got this cut, and you can see what we're cutting over here. The rest of the lawn pretty much looks like this all the way out to the road, so nice and thick. And as you can see here, they're putting in a pool, so saved me that much area to mow, but now I had to mow around it. But it is what it is. So we're going to get back out here and see if we can cut this wet stuff up, make it look good, and we'll be back. go for it. We'll trim it out, and that'll be it. There's a little wet spot down here with all the rain, and you can see it coming up over here on the side where the tire's just kind of a little muddy, but nothing too serious. It's not a much hole or nothing like that, but a little sloppy. Just past the end of the ditch, you can see where it gets tall right down there. Back. Well, as you can see, welcome to the dark side. Nah, just kidding. I'm wrapping it up here. As you can tell, it's late. It just got dark. It is right at 9 o'clock. So I didn't fully finish this job. All I really got is trimming around some trees in the house. I had to trim the driveway and blow everything off, so we didn't leave any clippings and grass clumps and things on the driveway. So the driveway is probably close to a quarter mile long altogether, pretty near that. So it takes a little while, but good test for the BR 600, and it's passing it with flying colors so far. So got the job pretty much wrapped up. We're gonna be right down the street, not even right about a quarter mile down the road tomorrow at another yard. So I'm trying to get some help and turn them loose on the mower at the other yard, and then run back down here real quick and finish trimming this one out. So, but that's what we got. I hope you enjoyed what footage I got today. It's some good thick grass. It's real wet, but the 920 handled it well. The fresh set of sharpened Predator blades, so they did real well. And that's what we got. So picked up a couple new subscribers. Thank y'all for subscribing. Everybody who's recently added the subscription to my channel. Thank everybody who's taken the time to watch my videos lately that I've posted, and previous ones. And I hope everybody else is doing well out there and taking care with everything that's going on. And y'all be careful, be safe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks everybody.